hope you're doing great. I wholeheartedly welcome you all in this new video. Guys, today I'm here to make my viewers and audience aware about the tradefund.co.uk reviews. So guys, stay tuned with me and watch the video till the end, and do like and subscribe to our channel. So guys, one question for you. Are you wanted to save something for future or wanted to do some investment? So if yes, are you interested in doing trading and you wanted to know more about the crypto trading? If yes, you can explore the trade fund. It says invest your money for the future. You can go with it by using start now button, and you can view their plans and you can optimally take the plans as per that suits you. They say that welcome to Trade Fund. They managed by a team of professional traders with expertise in one of the innovative and fastest growing financial markets. Guys, as per the introspection, we find that financial market is quite risky. But if you have all the information and if you have done in-depth analysis of the financial markets, then you can leverage a more amount of money and get more experience and get support of technology by using the best financial solutions available at Trade Fund. They are having both for professional investors and users which are dealing in cryptocurrencies, and new users who have been taken a first step in the crypto world. So they say that TradeBoard is an innovative 100% order trading software for cryptocurrency, and they're using the AI, that is artificial intelligence powered engines, to reveal the hidden insights. And they are working and they're giving you information in fraction of the time. Before the calculation, you're going to get all the information. If you wanted to get more information, then tap and get more option available on the website. So according to them, the website says their mission is to generate more and more business opportunities, transforming the life of thousands of people around the world and contributing to the common good. So guys, yes, before moving ahead, do hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, as it will motivate us to perform better and give you immense information. So yes guys, they say that the site will give you no hidden charges will be there, 20% deduction. Start invest now. You can easily join no option, but before joining, just go through the cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, get more information, and then choose your investment plan. As per the research, the features of Trade Fund is they are certified, they have secure SSL encryption, they are using best plans, they proclaim to be profitable for the users. If you have interest, going to get best interest on their funds, and as per the information, they accept the crypto and they accept Bitcoin also, as many of the trade fund websites does not accept them, but they accept. They have the support, customer support is there. Even guys, you can join their newsletter by writing an email and subscribe and get new ideas of investment. So guys, yes, as per the customer reviews, many of the customers have liking it. They're finding it a great way to deal with the cryptocurrency and finding it one of the great platform to enter into the crypto world. But some of them are finding problem because they don't have any idea about the crypto. So it's better to get idea about the cryptocurrency and Bitcoins and then take actions and then rely upon the investment plans. Even you can get referral commission, get on first level referral commission 1% daily. Check out the links. And how much can you save with the plans? It depends upon the investment be week and depends upon the deposit of amount daily. Then you can calculate your profit on the website only. Even you can check it out and contact them on admin@tradefund.co.uk. Or if you have any problem, then you can contact them on Facebook, Twitter, Google+. So guys, yes, thank you so much. And guys, if you like our information, then and find it helpful, then do like, share, comment, and for the latest news like this, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much guys. Have a nice day ahead. Be safe and be informed.